In this video, I'm going to show you how I fitted Steyr's Mark II rail system to my KNS gas plug. For starters, all you're going to need for this is a Dremel and a cutting wheel. Take out that chunk of metal on the smaller M-lock slot, cutting as straight as possible to avoid collateral damage. Next up is measurements, but before I go over those, I want you to make sure your handguard is fully seated to the rear. I don't know about yours, but my handguard has some play to it. Now, the measurements. Unlike the Ambimod project, these are far from perfect, and you don't have to be crazy accurate. Treat these more as guidelines than exact specs. This is especially true of the forward cuts. If I did this again, I'd cut a millimeter shorter there for better fitment with the top of the gas plug. Beyond that, it's worth noting that I chamfered the inside corners of the M-lock rail, resulting in tighter fitment. Make sure to occasionally check your fitment. First, check to see if the QD handguard seats correctly. If you feel a lot of tension in the QD levers, don't force it. Doing so could damage your gas plug. Keep removing material until it seats with no resistance. Once it seats, now test the gas plug. You should be able to rotate it freely with the handguard installed. My fitment was rather tight here, so the inner corners of the handguard were sitting inside the recess between the teeth of the gas plug. This results in improper fitment for certain gas settings, so I went back to cutting. You can see me here chamfering the inside corners of the handguard, which fixed the issue. Next up is the gas shield. Much like the handguard, these measurements are ballpark at best, and you could probably do better if you tried. Testing gas shield fitment is a little bit trickier than the handguard. Basically just push it against the gun and drag it downwards. Whichever way it slips off the gas plug gives you a pretty good idea of where to cut. When there's no slippage and it just glides over the gas plug, you'll know you're done. Reassemble the handguard and you're good to go.